In a previous video, I showed how to create a shortcut to a specific page inside the Windows settings. In my case, it was the Windows Update page. In case you missed it, check it out here. During the making of that video, I encountered a small problem. How can I pin it to the taskbar? Windows 11 will not allow me to drag this icon to the taskbar. So my only other option was to open it, right-click it, and choose the Pin to Taskbar option. But in fact, this just created a general shortcut to the Settings app and not to the specific page inside it. From there, I can obviously click the Windows Update option to open that specific page.
Please subscribe.
Which leads me to the actual working solution to this problem. Did you know that the Windows CMD has command line arguments? If you type cmd / followed by a question mark, you'll see all the available command line arguments of the CMD application. This list is very long, but what I need in this example is this. Using this will allow you to open a CMD interface, run a command, and terminate. Now that we got this out of the way, let's proceed. Note what happens if I run the actual command to open the Windows Update page of the Settings app. The CMD interface doesn't recognize it. Knowing all that, here's what you can do. Right-click the desktop, hover over New, and click Shortcut. Click Browse and find the CMD command, which is located in the System32 folder under the Windows folder. Click it and click OK. Now, let's implement what we've learned. Add the /C argument, and now it's time for the actual command. Since we know that entering the settings command directly will just display an error message, type Explorer followed by the actual Windows Update command and click Next. Give it a name and click Finish. The next step, and don't skip it, will be to change the icon. Right-click it and click Properties. Click the Change Icon option and click Browse to find a nice icon. These are available files that can potentially have icons. So here's a small tip. If you choose any random file that doesn't have any icons, this error will be displayed. When you click OK, Windows automatically loads a file which includes a good amount of pretty nice icons. Choose your icon, click OK, and click OK again to close this window. Now, simply drag this new icon to your taskbar. Clicking it will open the CMD, run the command, and close. And just if you're curious why you had to change the icon before you dragged it onto your taskbar, now that it's there, it will not allow you to change it. At least not in the version I used during the making of this video. Now you can create shortcuts to specific settings pages and pin them all to your taskbar. Wouldn't it be easier to just allow you to pin it in the proper way? What do you think? And hey, remember to watch this video next. You just have to.